Do you have a chaotic AI idea but no clear path to production? Stop guessing and start engineering. Welcome to the complete guide on Microsoft Prompt Flow. We will take you from a messy, rough draft to a robust, professional application. In this course, you won't just learn the theory, you will master the Microsoft Copilot Stack, build a real-time web classifier, and unlock the power of autonomous agents. Don't just write prompts, build the future. Let's turn your idea into reality right now. Microsoft Prompt Flows. Think of building a complex AI application like baking a cake. Without a plan, you end up with chaos in the kitchen, broken eggs and burnt layers. Prompt Flow acts as your master recipe and professional workspace, streamlining the entire cycle from a messy start to a perfect finish. At its heart, it combines the prompt, your specific instructions, with the flow, which creates the executable logic to move data step by step. This structure builds a bridge between a simple, cool idea and a robust, production-ready app. By bringing engineering discipline to AI, you gain collaborative design tools, visual debugging to spot errors instantly, and iterative tuning to ensure your application performs perfectly. Before building complex systems, you must master the basics of input and output. In AI Foundry, every flow begins with a compute session. Think of this as the cloud-based brainpower that actually runs your logic. Building an AI app isn't a one-off event. It is a continuous lifecycle. You start by developing your prompts, then testing to ensure the AI behaves. Next, you tune the settings for better accuracy, and finally, deploy it as a tool for others. Depending on your goal, you'll choose a template, a standard flow for general tasks, a chat flow for conversation, or an evaluation flow to grade your performance. To understand where prompt flow fits, we need to look at the big picture, the Microsoft Copilot Stack. This is the exact same framework Microsoft uses for its own assistants, and it consists of 3 distinct layers. At the bottom, you have the backend. This is the heavy-duty infrastructure, where powerful models like GPT-4 live securely on Azure. At the top is the user experience, where humans actually chat with the application. But the magic happens in the middle, the AI orchestration layer. This is where prompt flow lives. You can think of this layer as the conductor of an orchestra. It manages the logic and connects your data, ensuring the AI musicians play exactly the right notes to create a perfect performance. Let's look at a real-world example, building a web classifier. Imagine having thousands of random URLs that need to be sorted into categories like news, shopping, or social media. Doing this manually would take weeks, but with prompt flow, it takes mere seconds. It starts by defining a connection. This links your flow to the Azure OpenAI service, essentially giving your app the key to the AI's house. Inside the flow, a Python script node acts as a scraper to pull text from each website. That text is passed to the LLM node, where the AI analyzes it and assigns a category. Finally, we perform a batch run, processing thousands of URLs at once and comparing the results against the ground truth to get a precise accuracy score. The true power of AI isn't just about conversation, it is about action. We unlock this potential through API integration and function calling. You see, a standard AI model relies on static knowledge. It only knows what it was trained on. If you ask for the live weather in London, it is stuck. But by integrating external APIs, you give the AI eyes to fetch real-time data and provide the correct answer. Function calling takes this a step further, turning the model into an agent. It can detect when you want to execute a task, like booking a meeting, and generate the code to actually make it happen. However, always remember security. Follow the principle of least privilege. Only give the AI the minimum access it needs to do the job.